going on, Link? J.E. the Vandal, man. I'm in here wrapping up some last minute stuff from the project. Homesick drops tomorrow, hosted by DJ Soundwave. Shouts out to Soundwave. This isn't a promo video. This is just more so a welcome everybody to jedevandal.com. The website will be also launching tomorrow. By the time you see this, the website will be up. I just want to thank everybody for your patience. Homesick was supposed to come out like last fall, but you know, everything happens when it's supposed to. Kind of in my room right now. No one's ever been in here. Take a look at the wall. I mean, you see that? Ain't no bandwagon in me. Nobody has Derrick Rose and Michael Jordan jerseys with the pinstripes. You know, that's real. Them jersey sizes right there, whatever. You know. You see the upper wall, man. I bleed red and black, whatever, man. Make sure you go to my YouTube page, J.E. the Vandal TV. Check out Read Your Mind because the song is still valid because we're 15-3. Shouts out to the Washington Wizards. We coming to see y'all January 30th, and we got something for you. There's nothing pretty much. That's it. Nothing else to say. Homesick's dropping tomorrow. Welcome to jedevandal.com. Nothing in there but music, pictures, couple feeds from my social media sites, and links to other sites I'm on. So thank everybody for coming. Tell a friend, tell your dentist, tell your mailman, his girlfriend, and a babysitter to come to visit jedevandal.com. The fashion part is coming soon. Shouts out to Clutch Clothing, Drew and Jay. This is about to be a big year. I know a lot of people say that, but you never hear me say that. So if I say it, be scared. That's pretty much it. I'll holler at you later. All right? Peace.